cousin sent me a link for this project.
Good morning, sir. Kilala niyo po may-ari nito?
Hindi po sir.
Hindi.
Ako po ngayon lang din, napadaan lang.
Pero daanan talaga to, ano?
Ang alam ko, pero ang alam ko may lupa po.
Sa tingin niyo ba, pag nilinis ko yan, may magagalit dito? Para madaanan ng maayos?
Tingin ko naman sir, baka.
Wala, ano?
Tanong niyo sir dito.
Dito? Oo.
Alin po.
Sige. Tanong ko na lang, ano? Salamat. Linisin ko, free.
Oo. Pwede nga sir. Napadaan lang po yung papagawas sa kayong buka.
Pero daanan talaga siya, ano?
Kaya na po yan ng mga bata.
Mas magandang malinis siya.
Yes sir.
Sige, salamat, sir.
Salamat po.
Hi Musketeers, this is Alan of Ball Mowing. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are here in a vacant lot. This is a private lot, but residents nearby use this as a passageway going to the other street. Our job today is to clear this up. So, what are we waiting for? Come on, let's mow it. Ay, dadaan po kayo. Sorry. Ha? Hindi po. Ano po ito? Community service po ito. Ako lang po.
May-ari ng lupa.
Hindi po.
Barangay.
Hindi po.
Ay, ano po?
Content creator po ako.
Volunteer.
Yes, volunteer.
Volunteer pa.
Volunteer po ako. Dadaan po kayo. Ay, hayaan nyo hot pag nalinis ko are, kayo maayos na makakadaan.
Tingnan nyo po.
Oho.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Sadya ho, ganyan talaga.
Ano po? Barangay po kayo.
Ay, hindi po. Ako private citizen po ako. Private citizen po.
Walang ya.
Oo.
Ay, dapat po ito inahakot. Hindi natatapos yan kasi po, mamaya ay matuyo yung mga dahon. Kasi nagkasunog na nun dun, no? Doon po, sa parting yun.
Doon. That homeowner doesn't want me to clear this area. They are afraid that when it gets dry, it might cause fire. So I will just leave it to them. Come on, let's go to the other side. I will remove my car here.
Did you mow?
That mango is native to South Asia and has been cultivated for over 4,000 years. It is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. It belongs to the same family as poison ivy and cashews, which can cause allergic reactions. There are hundreds of varieties, and mango is a rich source of vitamin A and C, antioxidants, and fiber. Good morning, Mosquiteers. This is day 2 of this project. I started late because it's raining hard this morning. Our job today is to pick up all the cut branches and grind it so that it will not become fire hazard. So, what are we waiting for? Come on, let's mow it. break time, a homeowner gave me something, pansit.
Did you know that pansit's name comes from a Hokkien Chinese phrase for convenient food and was introduced by early Chinese settlers in the Philippines? It is a staple at celebrations and birthdays because the long noodles symbolize long life.
Tama na ho.
Kuya, Operation Tulong. Ano mo si Kuya, yung kanyang
YouTube.
YouTube channel. Yan, All Best.
All mowing.
Pala, sorry. Sige po. Ano ba ito? Nalag.
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Sige po, maganda.
Yeah, thank you.
Pangkalikasan to, Kuya.
Akala ko parang
Wala.
Hindi. Ano to? Kawang gawa. Tumutulong. Sabi ko, tama na. Ay, sorry. Sorry po.
Maganda po yan, maganda.
Thank you.
Where's the grass?
Banana.